Hello everyone, welcome to the another video. Today we'll start with hygiene, that is a key to healthy life. So let's start. So before starting the topic, there is a question arising in my mind, like what is definition of health and hygiene? So what is health? As it is written, you can see it is a state of condition of the body of a person who depicts or portrays physical, mental, social and emotional fitness. Means a person should be fit from all these four sides: physically, mentally, socially, and also emotionally. Next is the definition of hygiene. I guess you have understood what is health. Very easy. Then let's move to the hygiene. What is hygiene? It is defined as the science and practice of maintaining good health, okay, which requires caring of one's own body and taking proper care of surrounding. Simple, okay. So the next topic is what are the major aspects of personal hygiene? As a question I am asking the topic. So it is written the major aspect of the personal hygiene are as follows, that is first one is cleanliness, physical exercise, rest and sleep, healthy habits. So you can follow the points. It is written that cleanliness, good hygiene is vital because it helps prevent you from getting or spreading germs and infectious diseases. Next, physical exercise. Some physical exercise is necessary for all age groups, especially children, adolescents, young age peoples. Okay, so physical exercise, we should do physical exercise during this time period, like the COVID period. You should go for the physical exercise because it will make your mind fresh. Okay, and you should be very clean. That is very important. Next is rest and sleep. All organs of the body, including the brain need rest. So we also need rest and we should sleep at time. So rest is very mandatory. Next is healthy habit, the last point. One should develop good healthy habits such as going to bed at night at regular time, taking good food at regular hours. So you should follow good habits in your day-to-day lifestyle. Let's move to the next point, that is social hygiene and sanitation. So I guess in this time period you have got to hear about this social hygiene and sanitation and all. So let's start. Maintaining personal hygiene and sanitation is very important for several reasons such as personal, social, psychological, health, etc. So proper hygiene and sanitation prevent the spread of diseases and infections. So keep in mind, do have a proper hygiene and sanitation, and if every individual on the planet maintains good hygiene for himself and the things around him, disease will eradicate to a great level. So from this topic I guess you have understood why in this time we are sanitizing ourselves, that it will just eradicate the disease in a great level. Next point is what is a vector borne diseases, or what is vector. I guess you have heard this term, that is vector. So it is written vector is an agent, is any agent that act as an intermediate carrier or a pathogen. So it's acting as a carrier. Okay, basically their work is to carry the diseases from one place to another place. So they act as a carrier basically. Okay, so vector-borne diseases are the illness brought about by the vectors. A vector is a carrier of the causative microbe for different diseases. For example, mosquitoes, ticks and flies. Okay, these all are all the vectors. So it is written the proliferation phases of vectors are impacted by climate and weather. So some of the vectors given that spread the diseases, that is mosquitoes, then flies such as sand flies and dark flies, then bugs, ticks, snails conveying parasites. Okay, so these all are the vector which causes vector borne diseases from one place to another. Next is safety measures for protection against the disease vector. The first point is battling the insect that transmits such disease, such as places where the larvae exist by utilizing appropriate insecticides. Second, utilizing mosquito nets when resting outside. Covering water tanks well, disposing of human waste away from water resources, filling ponds and marshes and taking out waste and making a point not to let them heap up. Okay, so these you should follow these points and write in your copy. Try to pause the video as I said. Next point is Control of mosquitoes. So there are several steps which you can follow to destroy the mosquitoes or to kill the mosquitoes in different stages. So I have took 4 points basically. There are many more points. I have took, that is spraying, elimination of breeding places, spraying on stagnant water, biological controls. So I won't go through these points, like it's very easy, you can read and understand whatever it is saying. So if you have any doubt, you can just comment and ask me, and or else you can just text me direct. Okay, these all points are already used in your class 8 or maybe in the small classes. You have heard about using DDT sprays, then the biological control, that is the fish, those eats the larva of the mosquitoes. Okay, then oils and all. So go through it, you will understand. Next, move to the last point of this topic, that is hygiene. Contamination of water and waterborne diseases. I guess you have heard in the last video. So contamination means what? It is the unwanted entry of germs into the drinking or edible foods. Okay, so there are three common waterborne diseases, that is cholera, typhoid and dysentery. Okay, so I have two, cholera and dysentery, and I'll be giving you typhoid as a work. Just do it and let me know that you have did. You can send me the notes through my WhatsApp number if you will, means if you want you can do it. Okay, so cholera, it is caused by the bacteria. So it is an infection of intestinal tract by bacterium Vibrio cholerae. It is cause severe diarrhea and vomiting, dehydration. Next is dysentery. There are two forms again, dysentery, bacillary and amoebic. So bacillary dysentery, the causative agent is bacterium. It occurs frequently among children. Amoebic dysentery is a causative agent is protozoan and anti-amoeba histolica. So the topic is completed. I have provided some of the pictures which you can follow with the topic. So please pause the video and write the notes what I have given in the video as in a video format. Okay, so I know this topic is very small in our video. Okay, but there is nothing so much explanation. You have to just follow the points, whatever points you have to just follow, you have to understand and you have to write. Don't try to mug up, understand and learn it. Okay, read, understand and learn. Follow this format, you can score a good marks in your exams. Okay, and be safe everyone, keep your surrounding clean and sanitize yourself. Okay, stay safe in your home, and guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Do subscribe before leaving this video. Thank you.